Hello friends, welcome to a session on arithmetic progression. In the last lecture, we studied the basic concepts and today we will be learning the 2-mark problems based on arithmetic progression. Let me take example 1. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 201 which are divisible by 5. This question selected from KSCEB solved question paper Jan 2015. So here the natural numbers between 1 to 201 and the numbers must be divisible by 5. So let me write the sequence. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. The last number is 200 which is divisible by 5. And here you know well this is the first term, that is T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. This is Tn or An. This A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. This is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is nth term. Here A is equal to 5, that is first term, and D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is preceding term minus previous term, that is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and Tn, that is nth term An is equal to 200. Now let me write the An formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An is 200 is equal to A is 5 plus n we need to find out and D is 5. So 200, take 5 this side, will be minus 5, that is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 200 minus 5 is 195 is equal to 5 into n, 5n minus 5. Now 195, take 5 this side, that is plus 5, that is equal to 5n. Now 195 plus 5 is 200 is equal to 5n. Now n is equal to 200 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 ones are 5 40s are 40. So we have how many? 40 natural numbers from 1 to 201 which are divisible by 5. Now we know n is equal to 40. Now we can find out sum of 40 natural numbers which are divisible by 5. So we know Sn formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S40 is equal to n is 40 by 2, 2 into a is 5 plus n is 40 minus 1 into d is 5. 2 ones are 2 20s. 5 twos are 10 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into 5. Then 20 into 10 plus 39 into 5 is 195. Now 20 into 10 plus 195 is 205. Now 20 into 205 is equal to, multiply here, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, that is 4100. Therefore, the sum of 40 natural numbers is 4100. That is the numbers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 201. This is example number 2. In an arithmetic progression, T10 is equal to 175 and T20 is equal to 475. Find the arithmetic progression. So this question is repeated in June 2011. Here the 10th term, that is T10 is equal to 175. So here you can write A10 also. And another one is T20 is equal to 475. You can write this is A20 also. Now you know the formula. Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So that I will apply for this. A10 is equal to 175, this. And A10 I can write A plus 9D is equal to 175. How this 9D came? So that is A plus n is 10. 10 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 90. So this I will take equation number 1. In the same way, A20 is equal to 475. So this I can write A plus 19D is equal to 475. Take equation number 2. So now I'll subtract equation number 2 minus equation number 1. 2 minus 1. So what is equation number 2? That is A plus 19D is equal to 475. Equation number 1, A plus 9D is equal to 175. Insert minus symbol. Plus A minus C will be get cancelled. This is by elimination method. 19 plus 19 minus 9 is plus 10D is equal to 475 minus 175 is 300. So now your D is equal to 300 divided by 10. So D is equal to 30. Now we know D value. Let me find out A. So substitute D value in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So equation 1 implies A plus 9D is equal to 175. So A plus 9 into D value is 30 is equal to 175. That is A plus 9 into 30, 270 is equal to 175. So A is equal to 175 minus, take this 270 that side, minus 270. So A is equal to minus 95. So now we know A value and D value, so we can write the arithmetic progression. So therefore AP is, that is arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. So what is A? A is minus 95. So minus 95 plus D is 30. Again minus 95 plus 2 into D is 30 and so on. Here the terms are minus 95. Minus 95 plus 30 is minus 65. Minus 95 plus 2 into 30, 60. Minus 95 plus 60, that is minus 35 and so on. Now we'll go to the third example. If small a, capital A and small b are in arithmetic progression, then prove that A is equal to A plus B by 2. So this question came in April 2014. So here let what is given, A, capital A and B are in arithmetic progression. So here you know well, this is T1, this is T2 and this is T3. You know to write the common difference, that is preceding term minus previous term, that is T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1. We can write T3 minus T2 also because common difference is same, it is equal. So that is T3 minus T2. So that is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Now what is T2? Capital A. What is T1? Small a. That is equal to T3 is B and T2 is A. Now let me take this side, that is A plus A is equal to B. So this minus A will take this side, that is plus A. A plus A is 2A, that is equal to, you can replace it, A plus B, you can write. So A is equal to A plus B, this 2 will become the denominator. So hence proved. So in the previous class also we discussed about this arithmetic mean formula, and today also we have solved the derivation. So here the example number 4, if 2 comma x minus 1 comma 4 are in arithmetic progression, find the value of x. So this question came in June 2010. So here we need to find out the value of x. So let me write the terms. 2 comma x minus 1 comma 4 are in AP. So x is equal to question mark. So this is T1, T2 and this is T3. Now in the previous example we have solved T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So what is T2? X minus 1. This minus and T1 is 2. That is equal to T3 is 4 minus T2 is x minus 1. So x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus x, minus into minus plus 1. So now x minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. That is equal to 4, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus x. Let me take x one side. X plus x is equal to 5 plus 3. So x plus x is 2x is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So x is equal to 8 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours. So x is equal to 4. So in another way also we can solve this problem. So if you know the formula to find arithmetic mean, that is a is equal to a plus b by 2. So here a is this is small a, this is capital A, and this is small b. So a is equal to x minus 1, that is equal to small a is 2 plus and b is 4 divided by 2. So x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes. That is x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Take minus 1 that side plus 1, that is x is equal to 4. Now example number 5. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 2 to 40 by using the formula. So this question came in April 2014. So let the even natural numbers from 2 to 40. So 2 to 40 even natural numbers. Write the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to 40, because here 2 to 40. Now here a is equal to 2, d is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and an is equal to 40. So n is equal to question mark. So now write the n term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 40 is equal to a is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Now 40 minus 2, take this side, is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 40 minus 2 is 38 is equal to 2 into n, 2n minus 1 into 2 is 2. So let me take this side, that is 38 plus 2 is equal to 2n. 38 plus 2 is 40 is equal to 2n. So n is equal to 40 divided by 2. N is equal to 20. Now we need to find out the sum of 20 natural numbers. So yes, 20 is equal to question mark. So we know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S20 is equal to 20 by 2. 2 into a is 2 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d is also 2. So now 10, 2 10s are 20, that is 2 2s are 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 2. It is 10 into 4 plus 19 2s are 38. Now this is 10 into 38 plus 4, that is 42. Now 10 into 42 is 420. That is S20 is equal to 420. This is the sum of even natural numbers from 2 to 40. Now example number 6. Check whether 301 is a term in the AP. 5, 11, 17, 21 and so on. So this question came in June 2010. Here we have to check 301 is a term in this given sequence or not. So here write the given. 5, 11, 17, 21 and so on. Here let me consider, let Tn or An is equal to 301. So in this term, let me take A is equal to 5, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now write the nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now An is 301 is equal to A is 5 plus n minus 1 into D is 6. Now 301 is equal to 5 plus 6 into n, 6n minus 6 into 1 is 6. Now 301 is equal to 6n minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Now minus 1, let me take this side, that is 301 plus 1 is equal to 6n. So 301 plus 1 is 302 is equal to 6n. Now we'll divide. So n is equal to 302 divided by 6. So let me divide 302 by 6. So 6 5s are 30. So 0. 6 3s are 18. So this is 50.3. So this is not a complete number because we have got the answer in decimals. But here we don't have numbers in the decimal form. These are all, this 5, 11, 17, 20, every term is a complete number. So since n is not a complete number, so therefore we can say that 301 is not a term of AP. Here example 7. If 7 times the 7th term of AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term, then prove that 18th term is equal to 0. So question from June 2010. So here 7 times the 7th term, that is equal to 11 times the 11th term. So 18th term you have to prove 0. So An formula is, you know already, A plus n minus 1 into D. So here given, what is given? 7 times the 7th term, that is 7 into T7, that is equal to 11 times the 11th term, 11 into T11, or A11, A7 also you can write. So now, and what you have to prove? 18th term is equal to 0, that is T18 is equal to 0. Now 7 into 7th term you can write T7 is A plus 6D, that is equal to 11 into T11 is A plus 10D. Now 7 into A is 7A plus 7 6 are 42D, that is equal to 11 into A is 11A plus 11 10s are 110D. Now A terms you take it one side, so that is 7A minus 11A, that is equal to 110D minus 42D. Now 7A minus 11A is minus 4A, that is equal to 110 minus 42, that is 8, 6, that is 68D. So now A is equal to 68D divided by minus 4. So now divide this 68 from 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 is remainder, and 28. 4 sevens are 28. That is A is equal to this minus 17D. So now we have got the A value. So now we have to prove that 18th term is 0. That is T18 is equal to A plus 17D. You can write like this. Now A value we have got, that is minus 17D plus 17D. So minus 17D plus 17D is 0. So we have proved that. So 18th term is 0. Now example number 8. There are 10 boxes on a table. Ramu places 4 marbles in the first box, 7 marbles in the second box, 10 marbles in the third box, and so on. Find the total number of marbles placed in all the boxes. So this question came in June 2008. So here we have 10 boxes like this. So number of boxes n is equal to 10, and Ramu places 4 marbles in the first box, 7 marbles in the second box, 10 marbles in the third box, and so on. So we have to find the total marbles placed in all the boxes. So Sn we have to find out. So here A is equal to 4, D is equal to 7 minus 4, T2 minus T1, that is 3. So we have to find out the sum. So Sn is equal to question mark. N is 10. We have 10 boxes. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is n is 10 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 10 minus 1 into d is 3. Now 2 5s are 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 3. That is equal to 5 into 8 plus 9 3s are 27. So 5 into 8 plus 27 is 35. Now 5 into 35 is 175. So therefore the total number of marbles placed in all the boxes is equal to 175. Here example number 9. The sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to 2n square plus 6n. Find the first term and the common difference. Here given Sn is equal to 2n square plus 6n. Here you have to know first S1 is equal to T1, S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. So if you want to find out S3, that is T1 plus T2 plus T3, like this. So S1 is T1, S2 is sum of two terms, T1 plus T2, S3 is sum of three terms, T1 plus T2 plus T3. So let me find out S1. Replace wherever n is there, it is 1. 2 into 1 square plus 6 into 1. That is 2 into 1 square, 2 1s are 2. That is plus 6 into 1 is 6 is equal to 8. So S1 that is equal to T1. So first term, so we have got that is first term A is equal to T1 is equal to S1 is equal to 8. Now we need to find out the common difference. So common difference, we know the formula D is equal to T2 minus T1. So here by using this given equation, Sn is equal to 2n square plus 6n. So find out S2. S2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 6 into 2. That is 2 into 2 square is 2 2s are 4 plus 6 2s are 12. That is 4 2s are 8 plus 12. So 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. So S2 is equal to 20. Now here I told you in the beginning, that is S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. So S2 is here we need to find out T2 now. So T2 is equal to, take this T1 this side, that is S2 minus T1. S2 is 20 minus T1 is 8, that is equal to 20 minus 8 is 12. So we know T2 also. So now we'll find the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. What is T2? Is 12 and T1 is 8. So that is equal to 4. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Hence, the common difference is 4. Now example number 10. In an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to 10 minus 3n. Find S40, sum of 40 terms. So, given Tn is equal to 10 minus 3n, we need to find out S40, that is equal to question mark. So, T1, find out T1 is equal to 10 minus 3 into 1. That is equal to 10 minus 3 ones are 3, that is equal to 7. So T1, that also is equal to A, is equal to 7. So here sum of 40 terms, that means here L is equal to T40 is equal to same thing 10 minus 3 into 40. 10 minus 43 is 120, that is equal to minus 110. This is L. Now we know the formula. When last term is given, first term and last term is given, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. That is equal to S40 is 40 by 2 into A is 7 and L is minus 110. That is equal to 2 ones are 2 20s are 20 into minus 103. So now 20 into minus 103. 103 into 20, multiply this. 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 1s are 2. So that is minus 2060. So sum of 40 terms is 2000 minus 2060. Okay friends, that's all about today's session. Please try these two problems yourself and comment the answer in comment section. I will give the answer for these two sums in my next videos. Thank you.